Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy over-the-counter stocks on Charles Schwab. Over-the-counter, or OTC, stocks are equities traded directly between two parties, rather than on a centralized exchange like the New York Stock Exchange. Charles Schwab offers a straightforward method to access these unique investment opportunities. We will guide you through the simple steps to begin trading these stocks on their platform, ensuring you understand the process clearly. To start trading over-the-counter stocks, your first step is to ensure you have a Schwab One brokerage account. If you do not yet have one, you can easily open it online through the Charles Schwab website. Once your account is established, you will need to fund it. You can typically do this via electronic transfers, checks, or wire transfers, ensuring you have enough capital for your intended purchases. With your account ready, log in to Charles Schwab's platform and navigate to the trading section. You can use their stock screener to search for over-the-counter stocks by selecting the OTC exchange filter. Once you find the desired stock, enter its ticker symbol and choose to buy. It is highly recommended to use a limit order, which allows you to specify your maximum purchase price, offering more control than a market order for these often volatile securities. When trading over-the-counter stocks on Charles Schwab, be aware of the associated costs. Domestic OTC stock trades typically incur a commission of $6.95. For foreign over-the-counter shares, an additional $50 transaction fee may apply. Remember that over-the-counter stocks are generally considered speculative and can be less liquid, so always perform extensive research and understand the inherent risks before making any investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.